Well, hey, the team at PNS is at it again with a new product, and this time it's Iron Buster. Now, Iron Buster is a cool dual-purpose product where it will do two things. Iron Buster is a great wheel cleaner, deep wheel cleaner, but it's also an iron and contamination remover. So, hey, let's show you how to use Iron Buster right now. So as you get started using Iron Buster, one of the things to keep in mind is to use it in a well-ventilated area. Now here we're using it on the wheels first. This is where it comes in really handy. Now on these tight wheels, it's a little hard to get back into the barrel, but on an open wheel, you're gonna see it's a lot easier to get back in the barrel. Now the barrel is the deep dish part of the wheel. That's what takes all the hit. That's what takes the greatest amount of damage. So you wanna make sure to take and get in that area, and also it allows for dwell time. So now, once we're done taking and hitting the barrel, we're gonna go ahead and hit the face. Now the face is what everybody sees. That's the pretty part of the car, is that front face of the wheels. And that's important to hit also, and again, get a little dwell time. Again, you can see that Iron Buster is working right away. You can see the results as you work, and that is just a wonderful feeling to see the product working so quickly. So now, as we come in and we start the cleaning process, the first thing we do is we go deep. Nice big brush back into the barrel area of the wheel. From there, we're going to take and actually lead in and start doing the tight area. Now, we like to use a nice boar's hair brush to get onto the caliper and all the tight edges of the wheel. We'll also take and get into the little tight areas on the leading edges, on the face of the wheel, and that will take and again, beautify the wheel and make sure it's cleaned properly. And don't forget about the lug nuts. The lug nuts is an important aspect, and again, using our small brush is a great way to do it. From there, we're going to take and actually clean the rubber on the tire. Now, Brake Buster is also another wheel cleaner, but it's a fantastic tire cleaner. This allows your tire to get clean and will actually allow your dressing to last longer on the tire. So once we get Brake Buster installed, what we're going to do is actually take and start scrubbing it down. We're going to scrub it with a light brush, and what that will do is remove all the contaminants from the actual tire. Now it's rinse time. So I like to take and start at the top of the wheel and working my way down. Now make sure to get back into that barrel, now nice and deep, 360 degrees around, and rinse it all off. Now, Iron Buster is really easy to see if you leave any behind, so just keep rinsing until the water runs clear. So once we're done with taking and cleaning the wheels up, I like a nice tidy area, so I like to clean up the area. It also dilutes the product down, makes it a little safer and so forth. Also looks a little better, and it won't get on all the bottom of your shoes and so forth. So where I love Iron Buster is its multi-use. So here, we're going to use it up on the top flat surfaces of the vehicle and take and use it as an iron remover and decontaminator. Now, right away, as soon as you put it on, you can take and start to see Iron Buster working. We're also going to take and move to the vertical surfaces and spray it on the verticals. Now, make sure to pay attention to the lower areas of those verticals, because that's where a lot of fallout and iron lands on the vehicle. And again, you can see Iron Buster working right away. So one of the areas that everybody leaves is the back end of the vehicle, either on the tailgate or the back trunk lid or bumper. This is an important area to hit. On sensitive paint or older vehicles, what I like to do is first hit it with a little water, just plain water, and put Iron Buster right over the top. Another trick I love is to foam the vehicle. I love foaming over Iron Buster because it just takes and allows you to pull it off a lot easier. And again, it does a better job at cleansing. We're using Pearl Soap 1-to-1 in this photo. Now we're going to start with the rinsing process. We're going to start with all the top surfaces, and then we're going to take and work our way through, making sure that we're rinsing all of Iron Buster off, both the flat surfaces and the vertical surfaces, being careful to remove all the contaminants. Now on this back section where we foamed, you can see the foam just really pulls that Iron Buster to the surface and allows you to take and see what you're rinsing off really easy. I love foaming with Pearl right over the top of the Iron Buster. It just makes it a 1-2 punch that you can't beat. Well, you've seen how to use Iron Buster and the fact that it's not good for one thing, but two. Not only can you clean the wheels, you're also going to be able to take and decontaminate and de-iron the painted surfaces. So, hey, if you have any questions, reach out to us. You can make a comment right here, or go check out PNS all over social media and on the web. So until then, hey, get out, drive, have fun, happy detailing. We'll talk to you soon, everybody. Take care.